Rent Money. Rent Money is another instant cash loan app in Nigeria that you can use to borrow money with a very low interest rate. Trust me. So Rent Money has been in existence for a while, and there is a lot of things you can actually do with their app. So the app have generated over 1 million downloads so far. You can see the overall rating is 3.7, and total reviews so far is 24,000 reviews. So this are from different people that have used in the app. And this download are from people that downloaded the app. So Lemony is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So you can check on both platforms if you are using different device. So there are a lot of opportunities with Money that you can also benefit from. So if you scroll down right there, you can see you can get a loan of up to 4 million naira as it's showing right there. You can see along the power of finance, and the app interface is very beautiful. I like that. And there are a lot of features inside the Rare Money app as well. Add money, send money, buy airtime, and pay bills. So there are a lot of features inside. You can also get their card as well. So you see how it works. Then then you can see another snapshot. Great interest on savings and deposits. So you also get interest on savings and deposits right there. And you can also see convenient and instant loan for everyone that are interested in getting a loan from Rent Money. So there are a lot of features inside Rent Money. So you can see pay bills, buy airtime and data. So you see, any money when you refer a friend to Fair Money as well. So you're gonna be creating more content around Fair Money. So in case you are very much interested, you can also join millions of Nigerians who trust the platform. And if you scroll all the way down, they also have their card, which of course you can use to withdraw money from any nearest ATM machine. And if you scroll down, you can see the app was updated on the 25th of March 2024. And if you also scroll down, you see the overall rating and you can see the latest review from the app, which is 1 star rating. You can see the review was dropped on the 22nd of March 2024 from Oyedokun. So you can see there are a lot of reviews right there. You can see another one right there from Mohammed Jimeta, 1 star rating as well. And this another 1 star rating from uh Gebi 8 March 2024. So as you all see all this 1 star rating, that doesn't mean that they don't have a good rating. So these are just the one that Google Play Store decide to select for us. So it's very fine. So you can see their 5 star rating is more than other rating, and from 5 star to 1 star. So it all depends on what those people are actually facing. But then once you are trying to use this app, you might not face that kind of issue. So it all depends. And that is just for rent